Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Tracy and this is Life in Almost Heaven. Well, my life in almost heaven. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Tracy and this is Life in Almost Heaven. Well, my life in almost heaven. So today's video, I am going to be going over some changes. You guys already know that I went from 5 days a week uploads to 3 days a week uploads. But I wanted to go a little bit more in depth on what my plans are actually for my channel for the foreseeable future anyway. So Sundays I am going to be doing my cleaning or clean with me's or however you want to do it, cleaning videos. If you missed my last cleaning video, I will put a link to it up here somewhere. But yeah, that's going to be my Sundays from now on. I like doing the cleaning videos and I plan on branching out a little bit and doing a little bit more. The last video that I did on the clean with me's was you actually went through and cleaned with me on that video. So it wasn't like my previous ones where I would kind of show you the befores and then I'd do the work and then come back and show you in betweens and then show you the finished product. So yeah, I'm leaning more towards the actual clean with me videos like the last one was. So Tuesdays I am going to be doing more videos with making money online, how I am working online marketing and the processes I go through to hopefully be successful at it. I've been doing a lot of research. I have done online marketing before and I can do better. So this time I'm with a completely different company and they offer things that the previous company I worked for didn't. And so yeah, I see better benefits with the company I'm with now. I'll say that. The other company was good, don't get me wrong, but I see better benefits with this company. And so I want to make this one work. I really want to make it work. It is my career now. I'm not going to say it's my job because, well, it's not. It's more of a career. I'm thinking of it as long-term as opposed. And then Thursdays I want to do my family vlogs because I love having my family in the videos. And honestly, if I'm going to be 100% with you, my heart is more in the vlogs than it is these other how-to videos and things. So it's kind of why I like the cleaning videos. It's more of a vloggy type situation as opposed to just a how-to video in essence. And for me, I like that type better. So anything I can do that I love and that I really like, I'm going to do more of. And I hope you guys will like it and come along for the ride because yeah, it's going to be some fun times. So this evening I actually have my daughter's concert, which you guys will see pieces of on Thursday. And then as you all know, my son is going to States Friday. I don't get to go with him unfortunately, but super excited for him. And so yeah, that's coming up too. But yeah, that is the plan for the channel as far as what we're going to be doing on each day. If you guys like watching family vlogs, Thursdays will be the days that you want to watch my videos. If you're looking to start or bump up your business or whatever, Tuesdays are going to be your day. If you want to do cleaning, want to watch cleaning videos, inspirational cleaning videos, or clean with me videos, Sundays are going to be those videos. Every once in a while I may have something that pops up on one of the other days, but for now it's going to be the Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays, because I am doing my online marketing and I have to have some days to where I can actually work on those things too. So yeah, my weeks are staying pretty busy right now. The next thing is I want to discuss my online marketing, what my plans are for the series. And if you have questions specifically for one subject or another, leave them down below and I will be happy to, if I don't already have the research done for it, I will do the research and we will put a video together for that. Or I will put a video together for that. Me and my little mouse in my pocket. But yeah, I want to help you by also helping me, kind of thing. I figure if I can talk through my issues and you guys being the way I can do that, then maybe it'll help you guys too. Kind of a win-win, you know? But basically we all have an upline. If you're going through one of these companies online, we all have an upline, so you can reach back and touch to them also, but as I can also. But I want my business to go above and beyond. I don't want to be stuck down in the lowlands. I don't want to be barely scraping by. I want to succeed, and frankly I need to. So I am doing things a little different this time around. And my next Tuesday's video, I'm going to go a little bit more in depth on how I'm doing that. But I do use social media, which I did last time, but I didn't use it to its fullest advantage. And I think that was my major downfall. And a lot of the people going through today that are having difficulties, that seems to be their same downfall. I'm finding a lot of the same information that I got last time is still going around this time. And some people can thrive at that. It's fantastic. It is fantastic advice, honestly. But some people like me have a problem. For some reason, it just doesn't work as well as it should. So I want to go above and beyond that. I want to find what actually is going to work for me. You may be in the same boat, so it might work for you, whatever I find. It might not. So we'll just kind of, you know, go through the process together, I guess. But like I said, I do use social media, and I don't do the bugging my family and friends. If they ask me about what I'm doing, I will tell them, but I'm not going to reach out and say, hey, you need to do this. Because my last few times that I've done these online marketing, that was the way to go. You bug your hot market first. And that is going to be all your family, all your friends. Go pound the pavement and talk to your neighbors and talk to the strangers down the street, and etc., etc. I'm not that kind of person. And the fact that I'm on YouTube is kind of a stretch for me, honestly. But I'm not that kind of person. I don't reach out. I've worked in the hotel industry. I've worked in the restaurant industry. I have done the one-on-one conversations. I have done the sales pitches. I have done all that stuff. It's not something I'm a huge fan of. I can do it, don't get me wrong, and I'm pretty convincing when I do it, but is that really the direction I want to take my business? If I want it to be a full-time 100% business that I enjoy doing, I wake up every morning thinking, okay, today we're going to make some money again. Or do I wake up thinking, oh, do I have to do that again? I'm going to pick the first of the two. You know what I mean? So that is the process that I'm planning on doing with my videos, video series for my online marketing. If that is something you're going to be interested in, leave me a comment down below what you're looking for. I'm pretty sure it's something I'm also struggling with or have struggled with in the past. So it's going to be something that I'm going to be making a video of. But you may have a different take on it. You may have something that I haven't dealt with before. So let's get it to where we can all make some money with this. Because frankly, like I said, there's more than enough room for everybody who's going to do it to make some money. And so yeah, that is where I'm going with that series. I want to do the best that I can possibly do with this because I want it to be my new career. I really do. I don't want it to be just another job. I don't want it to be something where I'm going to have to wake up one day and say, I'm going to have to go get a regular ordinary job because this just isn't working. I don't want to do that again. I've been there. I've done that. I don't want to do it again. So, with that being said, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Tuesdays are going to be the online marketing training videos. And keep your ears open for that and your eyes because it is coming. And I really think it's going to be a good thing.